Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with the Dog.
こんにちは。今日は焼き鳥です。甘辛いタレと塩味の2種類を作ります。
Let's prepare the ingredients for yakitori. Remove the skin of the chicken. Remove the fat with a pair of scissors. Beat the chicken with a knife thoroughly so that the chicken becomes tender. Cut the chicken into strips and cut them into 1-inch pieces. Remove the stems of the shishito peppers. Cut the spring onion into 1-inch pieces. Remove the stems of the shiitake mushrooms. Peel the garlic clove and crush it with the flat side of a knife. Cut the lemon in half and slice it into wedges. Soaking the bamboo skewers in water prevents them from burning. Let's make yakitori sauce. Add soy sauce, sake, brown sugar, honey, and garlic in a pot. Turn on the burner and dissolve some sugar over medium heat. When it starts to boil, remove the foam. Reduce the heat and let the sauce cook down a bit. Let's make yakitori. Stick the chicken and spring onion one after another on a bamboo skewers. They are called negima. Place the remaining chicken left on the skewers. Stick the shishito peppers and spring onion one after another and finish with the shiitake mushroom. Stick 8 shishito peppers on a skewer. Let's cook yakitori. Turn on the yakitori burner and sprinkle on some salt for salt yakitoris. Line up salt yakitoris and the vegetable skewers over the burner. When the bottom sides are cooked, flip over the yakitoris. Dip the vegetables in the sauce. Lightly roast and place them on a plate. When the salt yakitoris are cooked, serve on the plate. These would be sauce yakitoris. Flip the yakitoris to cook evenly. Dip the yakitoris in the sauce and roast them over the burner. Serve the shishito peppers on the plate. Repeat the dipping process 2 or 3 times until the sauce yakitoris become golden brown. Serve the yakitoris with the shiso leaves and lemon. Squeeze lemon juice over the salt yakitoris. You can sprinkle 7 flavor chili pepper on the sauce yakitoris.
甘辛いタレに七味がよく合います。
The yakitori sauce can be stored in a fridge and reheated for use. Good luck in the kitchen.